Aloha Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, October 12th. We have no active cases on Kauai and no contacts in Health Department mandated quarantine. Our cumulative case count remains at 59. Our police department continues to monitor more than 1,900 people who are in travel-related quarantine. A majority of those are Kauai residents who have traveled off-island and returned. For additional information, please visit the Kauai Emergency Management Agency website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. As you know, the governor's new pre-travel test program for mainland travelers goes into effect Thursday, October 15th. In light of our post-arrival test proposal being denied, we submitted proposed Rule 19 last week Thursday. While we still maintain that our proposal for a mandatory second post-arrival test is the safest option for us, Rule 19 would combine a voluntary testing program with a tiered system for responding to outbreaks. We continue to await the governor's approval of our proposed Rule 19 and will update the public as we're updated. We have enjoyed many months of low to no case numbers, and it is inevitable that we will see a rise in cases in the coming weeks and months. Our incident management team will do everything possible to help protect our community and keep our case numbers to a manageable level so that we can avoid future shutdowns or tighter restrictions. But as we've said many times, we all have control over managing this virus. Each and every one of us has a responsibility to protect ourselves and those around us. We can do this by following very simple steps when we leave our home. Wear your mask anytime you're with people you don't live with. This includes close friends and family. Keep your physical distance. Avoid large gatherings, but if you must gather, please do it outside. And also, wash your hands frequently and often. These are the best tools we have in our toolbox. For more information on the governor's quarantine rules or the state's pre-travel testing program, please visit the state's website at hawaiicovid19.com. The American Job Center is offering services for both job seekers and employers, including job search assistance, personal career planning services, training opportunities, and HireNet Hawaii support. The office is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. weekdays at Hale Kokua in the Lihue Civic Center, 4444 Rice Street, Suite 302. Clients will be seen by appointment only. Call 274-3056 to reserve a time and date. Please wear a mask and sanitize hands before entering. The county and the two Kauai food banks are conducting the Kupa'a Kauai food distributions every week through the end of the year for food insecure individuals and families. Distributions are at the Kilauea, Kapa'a, and Lihue neighborhood centers on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and at the Koloa, Hanapepe, and Waimea neighborhood centers on Wednesdays and Fridays. Households can pick up food once per week. You must pre-register for the program each week by going to www.kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. Please register at least 48 hours in advance and check that your email address is correct to ensure you receive registration confirmation. For those unable to register online, distribution staff at the neighborhood centers will be available to help you with the registration process. Additionally, the Hawaii Food Bank has scheduled a series of pop-up food distributions over the next 2 months. The next one is scheduled Saturday, October 17th from 10 a.m. to noon at HP Fire Park in Kekaha. Advance reservations are required. For more information or to register, please visit hawaiifoodbank.org/kauai-pop-up. Halloween is coming, and the State Department of Health has issued some guidance on how to celebrate without putting our families at risk. While the Department of Health recommends against traditional door-to-door trick-or-treating, as it can be a high-risk activity, trick-or-treating is permitted. Those who do plan to trick-or-treat should wear masks if age 5 or over, and stay with your households in groups less than 10. Halloween should be focused on trick-or-treating for keiki and not for large gatherings. As a reminder, gatherings are limited to 25 outdoors and 10 indoors. There are many creative ways to have a safe Halloween that don't involve traditional trick-or-treating. You can find national recommendations if you search for holiday celebrations at cdc.gov. Kauai's general election ballots are in the mail and many of us have already received them. If you're not yet registered to vote, you won't get a mailed ballot, but you can still register and vote in this election up to and including on Election Day. If you register after today, you will need to vote in person when County's Voter Service Center opens in the Pi'ikoi building from October 20th through 7 p.m. on Election Day, November 3rd. For additional information, please contact the Office of the County Clerk, Elections Division at 241-4800. There are 6 county charter amendments on the ballot, and the County Charter Review Commission recommends approval of all 6 of them. For more information on the proposed charter amendments, please visit www.kauaiballotinfo.com. There are still residents on our island who have not yet participated in the U.S. Census, the program to count every American once every 10 years. Getting everyone counted is very important to us. The funding of all kinds of federal programs, including school lunch help and food stamp assistance, rely on our population being fully counted. If our population is undercounted, money that should be going to us will be going somewhere else. If you or anyone you know has not yet filed the census form, please visit my2020census.gov and please do it today. Thank you, Kauai, for being responsible. Your diligence is helping us to keep this virus contained. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.